Do you know how many millions of freelancers and companies bill every year in Spain? And how they do it? On Excel, Wordperfect, i.e. no control whatsoever. To ease and ensure this process, we've invented Facturalia. Facturalia is an online billing platform for freelancers and small, medium, and large businesses with the most demanded features for today. No limits on invoices, no limits on clients, no limits on products or billing lines. And it's totally free, forever. Yes, totally free. Unlike through other platforms with similar proposals, Facturalia's users have no limitations, not even on the total time period of use. The service is totally free. Facturalia offers its users all the features necessary to invoice forever with no payment at all. And also you can earn RUMS, our private coin, to access such features as premium. Facturalia is a spin-off of ePortal Technologic, a developer of accounting, fiscal, and labor management platforms with thousands of customers. Users can register clients, add products and or services, all with their characteristics, prices, and references. Create different series of billing systems for clients, types of products, services, or geographical areas. Access your invoices from any internet-connected device. Prepare as many budgets as necessary and then automatically draw them up. Draw pro forma bills. Produce rectified or corrected bills. Facturalia relies on a technological strength that guarantees evolution and adaptation throughout any project, thanks to its associate ePortal. You might be asking, how can you monetize a product that offers such unlimited and wide-reaching services for free? In two ways: selling services at a very small percentage of cost to users who, for the price of said and due to their usefulness, are easy to attract through freemium. Services such as recurring invoicing, the possibility of using incorporated mobile phone and or tablet payment gateway apps, stock management, bank reconciliation, integration with principal accounting software programs, payment gateways, credit cards, bank receipts, and SEPA bills, and selling advertising space. The generation of invoices and actually sending them out to clients always entails the use of social environment with its concomitant space for advertising. The goal of Facturalia is to reach 1 million users who use the service totally for free with an average of 4 invoices per client per month. This means more than 4 million monthly hits. The development of this platform is guaranteed by its technological associate with a minimum viable product in production and a development roadmap for the upcoming years. We are looking for capital to capture and gain the loyalty of 1 million users for free that would permit us to become the invoicing reference in Spain. We want to be the online tool that companies and professionals use to draw up their invoices.